Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's Adrianne. Today we're starting off with freshly washed and conditioned hair. I am wearing gloves today because I have my nails done and I'm not trying to get them dirty. So I already washed and deep conditioned my hair, and I just colored my hair as well. So that's another reason why I don't want to go in with bare hands. So first thing I'm gonna do is take this Shea Moisture Intensive Hydration Leave-In Milk, and this is gonna be my leave-in conditioner. This product is pretty creamy. It's not very watery. It's a nice consistency, and it did leave my hair pretty moisturized. So I'm gonna just go ahead and apply it to this whole section. And as you can see, it already had my curls kind of, coming into formation and nice and curly. So I'm going to just split my hair into subsections and apply a little bit more of that leave-in conditioner because I really want my hair to be hydrated, because I plan to keep this in my hair for the whole week, so I don't want my hair to be dry. So I went in with more leave-in conditioner, and a leave-in milk, and then I'm going to detangle my hair with the Denman brush. And as always, I start from my ends and work my way up to my roots. And this is just kind of smoothing the product through and making sure that it's fully distributed throughout my hair evenly. Now I'm going to go in with this Hydrate and Design Max Hold Gel. This stuff here is exactly what it says. It's a max hold. Oh my gosh. So this is what the gel looks like. It looks like a cream gel, kind of like. That's the consistency of it. It's not too watery, not too thick. It's a good consistency. So I'm going to go in with about a quarter size of this and work that into this section. And then you're going to see me actually doing a little bit of shingle into my hair, just so I can get my hair to be more defined. Excuse me if I sound a little nasally. I don't know if I have a sinus infection or what, so I'm not my normal self right now. But all the thicker parts, I just went in and shingled them just so it can be a little bit more, defined. I wanted it to be defined. And the gel looked really, really good on my hair here. The products worked really good together, and I'm just repeating the process here. Just applying the leave-in conditioner. I'm going to go ahead and detangle with my Denman brush. And then you'll see me here adding some more of the gel just to make my hair form and clump together. My curls did clump pretty good with this gel. The gel, it left my hair feeling a little like a film, like it had a film on it. But it wasn't a bad film. It just, I could tell I had a product on my hair. If that makes any type of sense. I could tell I had a product on my hair. So here I'm just going in and further shingling so my hair can be more defined. And this is my last little section here that you'll see me doing. Again, repeat the same process. Leave in, detangle, Denman brush, and then also adding the gel just to make it, look good. Alright, so now that my whole head is completed, this is what it looks like after the product is distributed all over my head, and my hair looks pretty weighed down, which is what I like, because that usually means my hair is going to last. This is just a close-up of what my curls are looking like. Yes, honey, yes. Oh, I want to show you guys here, like I had some I guess buildup of the product. It just didn't set right. Kind of like little beads formed in my hair right there. I guess I don't know if I used too much product or what. But here my hair is, I set under hooded dry, so my hair is pretty hard. As you can see, like it's pretty stiff. It's just sticking there. So the inside of my hair was not dry, so I just went ahead and did a diffuser. I went ahead and got my blow dryer and diffused the inside of my hair here. And after I finished diffusing my hair, I took the diffuser off and then just stretched my roots so that I can get the maximum length of my hair. So after I stretched my hair, I went in with this Main Choice oil, and just to break the gel cast, I just went in with a little bit of oil, and then I just started, you know, crunching my hair out, or squeezing my hair to get the crunch out. Yeah, doing that all around my hair, and then I even, you know, went in and started doing the praying hands method as well, just to, you know, loosen my hair up so it can be free, because it was like literally in a gel cast. So this is what my hair looks like on day 1. So I was pretty pleased with it on day 1. This is day 2. If you guys have not seen how I stretch my hair, you can click this iCard right here. But this is how I stretch my hair using the banding method. This is my nighttime routine. This is how I get my hair to stay stretched. So this is what my hair looks like after I take up all of my little twisty things, ponytail holders, whatever you want to call it. It's the satin ones. So, of course, I'm going to give my hair a shake and lift my roots up and just kind of separate my hair and fluff it out. Of course, gotta go in with my purple pick. I will say this. Overall, I really liked the leave-in conditioner, the gel. If you're looking for a gel that's going to make your hair hard and give it hold for a whole week, this is the gel for you. I will say this as well, is that this gel, this combination flaked so bad. I had to literally, my shirt, I thought I had a clip up showing you guys how bad the flakes fell off of my hair onto my shoulders, but I guess I must have deleted that clip. But the amount of flakage, if that's even a word, the amount of flakes that I got on day 1 and 3 was ridiculous. It was to the point where my clothes were just full of red flakes, and I didn't like it at all. That part of it. As far as the hold, it was good. My hair was super moisturized. It did last a whole week. I probably would use it again. I don't think I used too much product, but maybe that could be the problem. So I'll try it again without using as much. But here's some clips of my hair on day 5 and then day 7. If you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to give me a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.